Okay, welcome everyone to our testimonial call this afternoon, Saturday at 2 p.m. We're going to just get right into just a few slides. It won't take long here, but I want to start by mentioning that, we are a health and wellness company, and we have natural solutions, what I call scientific medical breakthroughs to help people live in good health and restore any cell damage, detoxify at the intracellular level, boost energy, so many benefits from what we do, mostly by boosting glutathione, the master antioxidant inside of every cell of the body. I love this screen because it just shows us what cells look like. And they should be nice and round and free floating. And we're made up of trillions of cells. Every organ of the body is made up of cells. And the reason why this is so important is that if your cells are healthy, I believe your whole body will be healthy. But if they're sticking together like this, it usually means your body needs detoxification. There's too many toxins or what are called free radicals in the body. And so by boosting your glutathione level, it detoxifies your body and removes free radicals and protects your cells. Basically, it's the #1 protector of the cell. And we do that through a scientific breakthrough called ribosine, which, let me see if I can find that slide. Here we go. 25 years of research, 20 peer-reviewed articles, 38 patents pending, and it's the most advanced glutathione technology available today exclusively from Max International. So this is why we're very happy about the fact that we have this amazing patented breakthrough technology, and we call it the glutathione solution. Our #1 flagship product, I guess you could call Cellgevity, which is somewhere down here. There we go. And I had a doctor, naturopathic, actually look at this just last week, and she was amazed at not only the ribosine breakthrough technology, but when she looked at all these herbs here, she's saying, wow, what a beautiful selection is what she called it of all these powerful herbs like aloe extract, resveratrol, broccoli seed extract, alpha lipoic acid, turmeric root extract, grapeseed extract, quercetin, and milk thistle, and you can see all the rest, vitamin C, selenium, cordyceps, and black pepper. She said just quercetin alone is something that helped a lot of her clients in the past. And so she would use each of these individual ingredients to help her patients improve on their health and deal with certain issues through these natural remedies. But when she saw all 12 of these herbs all mixed together as one, she's saying, wow, that's amazing. And so this is why naturopath is a good, or homeopath, anyone who's into natural remedies, this is a great thing to show them, because we also have branded ingredients. That means a lot of these ingredients in here are not just average, but they're what I call above average, or they've been developed in what I call like high-end manufacturing facilities. We have 3 facilities in the U.S. where our products are manufactured. And so we have a high quality manufacturing process, but also they have high absorption rate. That's why a branded ingredient costs more, it's more expensive. So we have very high quality here. A lot of these ingredients are branded, plus the ribosine breakthrough. So this is really where we get most of our testimonies. If you want to remove pain and inflammation, this is what you need, Cellgevity. Let me just go to the screen here where you can see all the benefits. Maintains energy production, strengthens the immune system, detoxifies toxins in the liver and cells, improves mental focus and clarity, improves quality of sleep, reduces the effects of stress, improves the skin, enhances athletic performance. And now we have over 150,000 studies on glutathione, so that's how fast the study has gone, how much studying has been done on this master antioxidant over the last 5-10 years. It's just increased dramatically. And now people do understand, I believe, at least in the scientific community, most people understand that it is the most important, powerful antioxidant in the body. But then also we have all these issues in our world, which is 80,000 chemicals in our air, water, and food. So I'm more or less, telling people we live in a very toxic world, and we need to protect ourselves and also detoxify all these chemicals and things that are in not only our air, water, and food, but in our human blood. Can you imagine over 200 foreign chemicals found in the human blood? That's not normal. And then you wonder why people are having health challenges. is that, you know, whatever you put in is going to have an effect. So if you're eating healthy and taking natural, what I call dietary supplements or nutraceuticals is what we're promoting here, it will help your body have the right fuel and energy it needs to deal with a lot of this stuff here, like unprecedented levels of stress, lack of energy, fatigue, joint issues, even poor diets. So again, you know, it's good to eat healthy, but I always say that, you know, our food supply is deficient in vitamins and minerals because our soils are depleted. So no matter how healthy you try to eat, you're still not getting the recommended daily intake, RDI, of vitamins and minerals. So you could see something like Enfuse, that nice tasting pouch, has all these vitamins and minerals as well as CoQ10. And as far as improving or strengthening your immune system, a lot of doctors are now saying zinc is very important for that. Selenium, all these powerful minerals are very good, as well as your vitamin D and others as well. So again, I tell people, don't just take individual vitamins and minerals when you can get it all together as a multi-vitamin mineral in one little pouch of a great tasting drink called Max Infuse. CoQ10 is also good for heart health. And then this is another one I love, Max ATP. It boosts energy levels. You know, Chuck Norris has recorded an amazing video on YouTube you can watch whenever you have time to say that, you know, this is a performance drink. He's been asked to promote other energy drinks in the past, but he never did because he said he only would take, you know, promote something he truly believes in. And that's what him and his wife, I believe, take and promote that, you know, it's not just an energy drink, but it's a performance drink for athletes. ATP is your fuel inside of the mitochondria in every cell of your body. So we have those three that I've covered. And then finally, we have our Max 357 Arctic Cod Omega Blend. I'm going very fast today, but I just want to wrap this up and get onto training today. But you can take your time and read through. This is a high quality, once again, cod oil from a fishery in Norway, I believe, and as well as black raspberry seed oil. You can see all the benefits there. It helps support the immune system. I find this gives you very good mental clarity as well. So it's a great combination with the Cellgevity. Finally, we have omega-5 from pomegranate seed oil, high antioxidant levels, protects the digestive tract, and then finally omega-7 fresh pollock fish oil. It has great anti-aging benefits for skin, hair, and nails. And I've shared this many times before that when, you know, science has proven that people who live to 100 or more, called centenarians, have high glutathione levels. And so that's why all of, you know, like our ribosine and Cellgevity breakthrough are considered anti-aging supplements because they qualify for in that category. And then finally, for those that want to lose weight, we have MetaSwitch, powered by ribosine as well, but you can see all the other benefits. Supports and promotes healthy blood sugar levels, supports healthy cholesterol levels, supports a healthy metabolism, helps curb appetite and cravings, and all the rest here. You can see them all for yourself. But anyway, promotes good digestive health, promotes ideal fiber ratio, contains no stimulants. So again, all of our supplements are breakthrough science and technology, and we call them, you know, nutraceutical products or dietary supplements is what you'll see written right on the outside of the box. But if you want to get, if you want to try all of them, there's a great pack called the Health Pack. I'm just trying to see if I have it here on the slide. But the Health Pack for $220 US gives you all 4 products, but not the MetaSwitch. Let me just see here. No, that's not it. Somewhere here, I think I'll have to get a new slide to show us that Health Pack. There's also called a Sports Pack, which is just the Cellgevity, the Enfuse, and the ATP. So if you just want Enfuse, Cellgevity, and ATP, that's those 3 together are called the Sports Pack. But if you add in that 4th one called the Max 357, you can get all 4 of them in what's called the Health Pack. Those are the 2 most common things that we found in our back office. And then MetaSwitch, you can purchase that individually, separately. So at this point, I'm going to just open it up to any testimonies. Otherwise, we're going to end the recording short tonight. I just wanted a quick short recording as an overview, and then we'll get into training. So is there anyone on the call with us tonight who has a testimony? You'll have to press *6 in order to come off of mute. and then you can just share a quick testimony of what Cellgevity or any of the other Max products have done for you. Welcome, Doreen, Everton, I think Arlene, Delroy. There's many of you on the call tonight. Does anyone want to share any quick testimony? I'll quickly say that I haven't had any kind of a cold or flu-like symptoms for, like, I would say almost 5 years now. You know, it's just a rough number I give because it's been so long I can't even recall the last time I've had to go see my family physician or doctor regarding that. And in fact, I think it was food poisoning last time I went to the walk-in clinic, and that was many, many years ago. And but thank God now for these Max Breakthrough supplements, because I feel, you know, you feel healthier, no pain or inflammation in your body. You feel, you know, more energy, mental focus, so many benefits. And I always tell people that if you're feeling pain or inflammation in your body, it's usually a signal from your body saying something is not right. So it means you probably have too many toxins and not enough antioxidant, which is basically the glutathione that is your #1 most powerful antioxidant. So I'm going to encourage everyone, if you want to feel healthy and protect your immune system, in fact, even protect your respiratory system, because your lungs need glutathione to function properly. And also, if you've ever been involved in smoking in the past, you have carcinogens that have gotten into your lungs from all the nicotine or smoking, whatever you've done to damage your body in the past. I believe when you start boosting your glutathione level again, it will help to detoxify the lungs and help you to breathe better. It's even good for people that have been involved in painting, because painters breathe in a lot of fumes. Imagine they're painting all day and those chemicals they're breathing in. Even if you work in a nail salon, can you imagine that you're breathing in those chemicals all day long, 8 hours inside of a place like that? They don't realize that those chemicals are getting into your lungs and respiratory system. And so you need to cleanse and detoxify. And once you do that, you'll feel a lot better. And so those are just a few different testimonies we've had from people. One lady had a knee pain. She was supposed to go in for knee surgery, just like less than 1 month. I think it was actually only 1 week on the Max Breakthrough supplements. And she, when she went back to see her doctor, he said, I don't know what happened, but your inflammation's gone down. So just keep doing what you're doing. He didn't even ask her what she was doing. He just said, keep doing what you're doing. I'm canceling the knee surgery. So for her, that was huge. Why would you want to go through something you don't have to, right? If there's a natural remedy to help you, stay in good health, then that's what you should do. So again, we don't make any claims regarding any specific sickness or disease. We just say, give the body the fuel it needs, the nutrition it needs, and it will use it appropriately for what it needs it for. So last chance, if anyone wants to give another quick testimony, just press *6. Otherwise, we'll just move on to training today. Any other testimony today? Okay, welcome everyone. Oh, go ahead. Sure.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Hello, doctor. Really enjoying this, what you call meeting.
I'm sorry, who's speaking?
This is Charmaine.
Oh, Charmaine, thank you. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. Can you tell me which exactly which one of the supplements this lady had taken for the knee pain?
Yes, Cellgevity is our #1 flagship product. So I think you're asking about knee pain?
Yes.
Yes. So Cellgevity it's powered by ribosine, and it will boost your glutathione levels. So it will remove pain and inflammation in your body. So it doesn't matter if it's knee pain, back pain, any kind of pain in your body, this is what you need. So I hope that answers your question. Is Cellgevity is the one everyone should really be, starting with. But then I also personally take the Enfuse because I want to replenish where I'm missing out on my vitamins and minerals. So this is a multivitamin mineral, which is a good complement to the Cellgevity. So those two are I would say, our #1 and 2 supplements right now. Does that help?
Okay. And do you take them together, or just maybe a couple, maybe minutes apart, or how do you take them?
Yeah. Like I take them together, but you can take them anytime. Like Cellgevity, you should take 2 capsules in the morning and then 2 in the afternoon. But Enfuse is just a 1 pouch, so I just take it in the morning, or sometimes I'll take it in the afternoon. It can be anytime. You know, I take it usually before eating, like before I eat. But again, you know, it's going to work regardless when you take it.
All right. Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you so very much.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Yes. Hi,
So
Doreen.
this is
Go.
yes, Doreen.
Go ahead.
I just want to say, for me personally, I continue to experience good results with my longevity that I'm taking. The last time I had how felt after not having any for over a week, and then I discovered that a lot of times we really it's when we don't have something that we realize the benefit we had when we weren't even paying attention when it was available. So the pains, like I was having in my fingers, I'm not having them. I I was feeling weak at some point, and I haven't had that. In fact, I did even work out over this week, and I felt I had some pains, like for when you haven't worked out for a while, it happens. And after taking my longevity, I did notice that the pains were literally gone, even though I did warm up the next time and all of that. So what I'm pretty much saying that it works, and all we have to do is to keep taking it. Somebody asked me one time, how often do I need to take longevity? Is this something that I'm going to need to take for the rest of my life? Well, I said it depends on how well you want to be. If you want to have healthy cells for only 1 month, then you could just for 1 month. But if you want to have healthy cells for the rest of time that you are allowed to the earth, then you keep taking longevity. It gradually replaces everything that you are really taking over time. So
Yes, thank you.
that's
Thank
what
you
I
so
wanted
much.
to say.
Yeah, thank you so much for sharing that, Doreen, because you're very right in the fact that longevity, the longer you take it, the better it works. Like, after your first and second month, that's when your glutathione levels are gradually increasing to the highest level. And once you start taking it, then you start to feel the results that, oh, I don't have that stamina or energy, or sometimes people start feeling some pains and stuff again later if they stop it. So that just goes to show you that it is working, even though you don't see it right away. Some people do notice it right away, but it's doing some powerful gradual work at the cellular level. But for those of you that are athletes and want instant energy, for example, then Max ATP is for that purpose. Like, this is our fastest working supplement. It works within 30 minutes or less. So if you're going to do exercise, physical exercise or workout, you can take this just before you do that and you'll see the results right away. But everything else is designed to work like more on a gradual way. And oh, here, I finally found the slide of all of them together. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 for as part of the health pack. Plus we have Health Canada approval, prophetic athletic use. There's no banned substance in here. So again, it's all natural ingredients, no drugs. And that's why it's very important. And that's why we have these NSF approvals, because athletes want to make sure if they're taking anything, it's natural. And then last thing before we end here is here all the countries we're in, and we've recently opened up Dominican Republic as well, and a few others. So any other questions? Sorry, before we go to the questions, any other quick testimonies, or can we move on to the training today? Well, thank you everyone for participating. I'm going to just stop the recording and we'll get into the